Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to use the new update on WhatsApp for PC to search within your contacts chats. This feature makes finding specific conversations or messages much easier and faster. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll see the familiar interface with your chats displayed on the left-hand side and the search bar at the top. Next, locate the filter icon at the top of the search bar. It's a small icon that allows you to refine your search. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Contacts. This will narrow your search to chats with specific people in your contact list. Now, click on the search bar itself. Type in the keyword or phrase you're looking for. For example, if you're trying to find a conversation about an event or a specific message someone sent, just type in a relevant word. As you type, WhatsApp will display matching results from chats with your selected contacts. Finally, browse through the results to find exactly what you're looking for. Clicking on any result will take you directly to that message within the chat, saving you time and effort. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, opening WhatsApp, using the filter icon to select contacts, typing in your search term, and reviewing results, you can quickly locate messages in your contacts chats. This new update is designed to make searching more efficient and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.